Howdy viewers, today we're off to Widgie, Mortha. Long way to grab a coffee, but also a great day for a ride. It's going to be, what's it going to be today? How hot? 36?
I've tried my best just to get us along. Nothing will ever be good enough. Now all my feelings are gone. I'd hate to lose it all, but I hear the final call. Nothing good will come from hanging on here.
We should be a Swedish backpacker.
I don't think so today.
So what that comes out, every time we've come out to Widgie Mortha, there's always been a backpacker behind the counter. Today, I think she would be, but you don't.
I don't think so.
I think we'll leave it there. Oh, let's go. You go look at that little tip, that's an out the road. It's only needs go off through.
Where those cars are down.
That car, isn't it? Falcon and all that's down.
Yeah, we'll go to flip. Good cappuccino.
That's nice.
I wouldn't mind the taste of your flat white. I reckon it'd taste like my cappuccino.
What's the difference between cappuccino, latte and flat white? In Widgie Mortha? Nothing.
They all taste like dirt.
It will taste like cheese. That's good, isn't it? Look at that. It's a big rig, isn't it? So you call that a big rig, Steve? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
If I give the tip now, the burger, I give mine a 10 out of 10, you?
What's that?
The burger.
Oh yeah, yeah, that burger
beautiful.
was good.
Perfect.
Very nice, yeah.
In Widgie Mortha, if you do ask for a latte, cappuccino, or even a beetroot soy latte, you're still going to get a flat white.
They're surprisingly similar.
Very, very similar.
Very similar to this.
How can make similar? It's very smashed, Steve. I tell you what, when we go out, guys, we're all class. We're down here at the rubbish tip,
What's that, mate?
having a scrounge.
All class at the rubbish tip.
We don't mind old Falcon. Oh, panel van or something, mate. GS. What was the highlight of the trip? Go.
Coffee. Best cappuccino I've had in a long while. Tasted surprisingly like a instant coffee that I've had at home in the past, though.
It's hard to do.
Yeah, it is very hard to do. Yeah, it was very nice.
Mouse, did you actually have any of yours or not?
I had 2 sips.
It was a lot.
So that's why it's good to have some water when I got here.
Was it
'cause
shit?
was sitting there, my burger.
But
right,
the burger was nice.
beautiful.
Burger?
Yeah, very good. Burger was good.
Nah, good. No,
No,
do you reckon we're going to read about old mate one day? He'll be on the front of the paper. We'll say we know him. We met him at Widgie.
I've seen that bloke before.
Where did Dreadlocks go? Well, she was with him. I thought she was with him.
No, she wasn't. She came in and she cracked it because
I think she ran away. I think she got out. she got out of the cab and ran, I think. I'm pretty sure. She was last seen heading towards Kalgoorlie. Oh my God. Yes, we've met some funny people, haven't we, on the road? He wanted to talk to us, didn't he? And once he got going, then he didn't he start? And then the stories.
He wasn't as bad as I thought he was going to be, actually. As soon as I heard him talking, I wasn't going to turn around. I thought,
No.
there we go. This bloke's going to be a
But I think
shocker.
he was a lonely truckie.
Yeah, just wanted someone to talk to.
Any time dreams he pulls the old snagger in the truck, you reckon? Hey, over another one.
Yeah.
Watching the porn on the phone. He would do, wouldn't he?
While he's driving, you reckon?
Well, he's driving old mate's. Old mate's got one hand on the wheel and the other hand on his gear stick. Fucking going through the gears.